大家好，我是七段的老师。Today we are going to learn change of tonal marks of what? Bo in sentence. And what's the meaning of bo? Bo actually means no or not on its own. So, okay, let's go. So they said when bo is followed by a syllable in the first, second, and third tones, its tone doesn't change. Do we remember what's our first, second, and tone? This is our first tone, ma. The second one, ma. And the third one, ma. This is the first, second, and third tone. Okay, so here it says that when bo is followed by the syllable in the first, second, and third tones, its tone doesn't change. For example, we have bo, chi. This is original tone of bo. The original tone of bo is what? Last tone. Bo, right? This is the original tone of bo. So it's still bo, chi. This is the first tone. So you say when it's followed by the first one, this tone doesn't change. It's still the original tone. And the second one, bu qing. Bu qing is still the original tone. Bu qing means what? To not eat, like I'm not eating. Bu qing, which means not okay. Then bu hao, you remember the hao means good. When you say bu hao, it means not good, that is bad. Bu he, bu he. Bu he is what? Don't drink, do not drink. Bu he is I'm not. If I say well, bu he, it means what? I'm not drinking. Then bu nong is what? Can't, that I can't. Then bu qiang means what? Don't want or don't want to. Okay, so here the first rule is when this bo is followed by a word in the first, second, and third tone, it says that its original tone doesn't change. It's still with his fourth tone. First tone is what? This one. That is the falling, right? Okay, then the second rule says what? When bo is followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, that if you follow by a word that also has this fourth tone on it, he said that it changes into the second tone. Then, for example, you have here bo and queen. We know this is original tone of bo, right? But because it's followed by a word that also have last tone, which is falling, so this original tone of bo now changed to second tone. That's why when you hear people speak and they say bu hui, not bu hui, bu hui. Do you understand? Bu hui. Then the second one is what? Bu shi. You know, shi is yes or no. When you want to say yes, so when you want to say no, you say bu shi. Bu shi means what? No. Then the next one is bu kan. Kan is what? To see. They say bu kan. That is don't see or do not look. Do not look or don't look. Do you understand? So you see, when bo is followed by first, second, and third tone, it still has its original tone, which is bu chi, for example, bu shen, bu hao, bu he, bu neng, bu xiang. But when it's followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, just like that has the same tone with the original tone, just like this hui, shi, kan, and any other one we can think of, then its original tone will change to second tone. That's why it's now bu hui, bu shi, bu kan, like that. Do you understand it? Is it so hard? Okay, let's go one more time. When bo is followed by a syllable in the first, second, and third tone, its tone doesn't change. Example, bu chi, bu qing, bu hao, bu he, bu neng, bu xiang. That is the first rule. Then the second rule says what? When bo is followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, this is fourth tone, then it changes into the second tone. Example, bu hui, bu shi, and bu kan. Okay, I hope this video helped us in our Chinese learning. 再见。